Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VIDA, home of the Sharks, here in Vista, California, Vista Innovation and Design Academy. I've been here multiple times over the years. This is my second visit for 2024-2025. Just had a great assembly for the middle school students, grades 6 to 8, students and staff, part of the AM, PM after school program right here in the gym. And the focus today was on positivity. And the underlying theme was be your best self, right? And it's easy to be positive on days when it's kind of sunny outside. It's starting to get a little bit more cloudy right now, so maybe not as easy to have that positive attitude when the weather's like that. But we know that it's kind of the same for our lives too, that sometimes there's some storms or not the best weather going on in here in our hearts, and so it's sometimes not that easy to really maintain this positive outlook, right? And that positive mentality. That's why I have this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if we're feeling down, feeling sad, our head's down, it says, keep our head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what, that we keep pushing, we keep persevering, right? You push until success happens, kind of the acronym for it as well. Keep persisting, right? And when I asked the question today, what's the opposite of success? Everybody said failure. But to me, the opposite of success is quitting or giving up, right? We can fail again and again and again, but if we don't even try anymore, we have no chance to succeed, right? So we have to understand that no matter what we're going through, have gone through, will go through, that we always have that choice, to make sure that we keep giving our max effort. And if we do give our greatest effort, then usually 8, 9, even 10 times out of 10, we're going to get the results that we want. And when we're talking about, positivity as well, this means having this positive attitude with everybody in our lives and everywhere in our lives, not just here on school campus with our classmates, our friends, our teachers, our coaches, our parents, our family, And the more that we do that, it's kind of contagious, like that feeling of positivity, and it starts to rub off, on the people around us. And when we create these healthy habits of also, being kind to our mind, which is part of being our best self, now things start to change. Just our perspective on things is a lot more positive in nature. And I'm someone that I truly believe that true excellence, it's not always about being the best, it's just about doing your best, right? Don't always have to get first place, get 100%, win the race. We just have to give our effort, we just have to keep trying. Think about Albert Einstein, he said, it's not that I'm so smart, I just stay with problems longer. So we might be excellent at a certain subject in school, and that's great, but the sign of a true leader is now go help someone else out who's not as good as you, right? Help them get up to your level or beyond. We know part of doing our best too is also encouraging others, right? It's not just about that self-talk to ourselves, because whatever you tell your brain and heart is going to believe. So hopefully we're telling it something positive, but it's about, trying to lift up people around us as well. And that also starts with understanding how powerful each of us are, how special each of us are, and this concept that I bring up in every presentation, and that's the fact that we're all true miracles, right? The students remember that today. I always trace one of my M's, I have at least one on each hand, with the lines of our hand on our palm. Sometimes a faint line connects, but that M stands for miracle. Upside down W is for worthy. We're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart. I share the story of growing up in elementary school that I had a very bad stuttering problem, and ironically now my job is to speak every day. I'm a youth speaker. So if I would have believed a lot of the negativity around me, people that told me I wasn't this, going through that stretch before my brain could catch up to my mouth after finding hip hop, of course, now it's just so important to me, and it's a great life lesson that there's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter. What matters is what you believe, what you keep telling yourself, and again, hopefully that is something positive. So thanks for touching my heart. Look forward to seeing you all again in May. Until then, have a great next couple of months here at your school. Keep your head up, of course, and if it makes sense, feel free to hit the subscribe button to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.